Friends, in this video I will discuss holy plant of Badrinath Dham, Badri Tulsi. It is worshipped, and Badri means the plant and Nath means Lord. Please subscribe my channel before going ahead. Badrinath is a holy town and a Nagar Panchayat in Chamoli district in the state of Uttarakhand in India. It is one of the 4 sites in India's Char Dham pilgrimage and gets its name from the temple of Badrinath. Badri refers to a berry that was apparently said to grow abundantly in the area, and Nath means Lord, as per context in which it is referred. Badri is also the Sanskrit name for the Indian jujube tree, which has an edible berry. Badrinath temple is the main attraction in the town. According to legend, Shankar discovered a black stone image of Lord Badrinarayan made of Saligram stone in the Alaknanda river. He originally enshrined it in a cave near the Tapt Kund, that is hot springs. According to Bhagavad Purana, there is a Badrika ashram, the supreme being Vishnu, in his incarnation as the sages Nar and Narayana, has been undergoing great penance since the time immemorial for the welfare of all living entities. It is a place sacred to Vishnu, particularly in Vishnu's dual form, Nar and Narayana. Thus in Mahabharata, Krishna addressing Arjuna says, "Thou wast Narayana in a former body, and with Narayana for thy companion didst perform dreadful austerity at Badri for many myriads of years." Another legend explains both name and sitting posture at this place was full of Badri bushes and Vishnu meditating for beloved Lakshmi. Lakshmi stood next to him, sheltering him from snow. Into a Badri itself called Badri Vishal, and her lord, that is Nath, became Badrinath. This is the plant that grew in Badrinath shrine, associated with the trust of millions of people, has also surprised the science world. The results that came after the research are extremely shocking. The scientists were just wondering what would be the impact of global warming and bad effects of climate change on these basil. But the results surprised them. It has been found that Badri Tulsi, the addicted of cold conditions in the Himalayas, and the cold conditions in Himalayas will absorb more carbon. Not only this, the temperature will increase further. Let the visitors of Char Dham take the devotees Badri Tulsi as their offerings. Regional peoples have dedicated it to Lord Badri Vishal. Nothing does harm to its plants. The devotees only break it for offering. Badri basil is available on such a large scale only in Badrinath Dham. Its medicinal properties have been widely appreciated in the Puranas. Local people drink tea also, but its other qualities have also been exposed in new environment being created by the climatic change. Plant becomes 5 to 6 feet tall and makes the umbrella shape so that it absorbs more carbon. It is found that it has the ability to absorb carbon more than the normal tulsi and other plants, 12% more. If the temperature increases, its capacity increases by 22%. There are many beneficial discoveries of this plant in diseases like skin diseases, diarrhea, diabetes, wounds, hair fall, headache, influenza, fungal infections, fever, cough, bacterial infections, etc. Badri Tulsi has amazing ability to counter the adverse effects of climatic change. This has proved to be the result of research. It absorbs more carbon and its capacity will increase as temperature rises. Here I will like to discuss Badri Tulsi's health benefits. If you are suffering from type 2 diabetes, then adding Tulsi to your diet can help to alleviate the symptoms of diabetes as it helps in regulating your blood sugar levels. This Badri Tulsi is known to have anti-inflammatory properties and is packed with antioxidants which aid in relieving joint pain and inflammation of any kind. It can be a blessing for people with arthritis. All you need is a cup of Tulsi tea or Tulsi oil to apply. This Badri Tulsi has soothing properties. It can help soothe your stomach and digestive system. This Badri Tulsi can improve your gut's health and also reduce side effects of stress-induced stomach ulcers. This holy Badri Tulsi has been used to treat wounds and infections over the years. It is known to have antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral and analgesic properties and inflammatory properties. It accelerates the process of healing and reducing pain. You can also use it to treat a throat infection or acne or mouth ulcers. If a person is having unhealthy skin and often end up dealing with skin problems and infections, some Badri Tulsi can help detoxify your skin and keep it clean and healthy. And it also treats skin infections. There is a generation of heat energy in dormant and serene sattvic frequencies present in the Tulsi plant by the touch of woman, which leads to decrease in its sattvic quality. Hence, ladies are prohibited from gathering or plucking the Tulsi leaves. With immense benefits right from clear skin to dissolving kidney stones, Badri Tulsi is tonic for entire body. This Tulsi has very potent germicidal, fungicidal, antibacterial and antibiotic properties that are great for resolving fevers. It has the potential to cure any fever right from those caused due to common infections to those caused due to malaria as well. In Ayurveda, it is strongly advised that a person suffering from fever should have a decoction made of Tulsi leaves. In case of a fever, boil a few leaves of Tulsi with powdered cardamom in a half a liter of water. Let it reduce to half its total volume. Mix this decoction with sugar and milk. Sip every 2 to 3 hours. This remedy is specially good for children. These holy basil are packed with antioxidant and essential oils that produce ignol, methyl ignol, and caryophyllene. Collectively, these substances help the pancreatic beta cells function properly. This in turn helps increase sensitivity to insulin, lowering one's blood sugar and treating diabetes effectively. An added advantage is that antioxidants present in these leaves help beat the ill effects of oxidative stress. Badri Tulsi has a powerful antioxidant component called ignol. This compound helps protect the heart by keeping one's blood pressure under control and lowering his or her cholesterol levels. Chewing a few leaves of tulsi on an empty stomach every day can both prevent and protect any heart ailments. These Badri Tulsi helps to maintain normal levels of stress hormones, that is cortisols in the body. The leaf also has powerful adaptogen properties, that is also known as anti-stress agents. It helps soothe the nerve, regulate blood circulation, and beat free radicals that are produced during an episode of stress. People who have high stress jobs can chew about 12 leaves of tulsi twice a day to beat stress naturally. These holy basil leaves, either normal or Badri Tulsi, being a great diuretic and detoxifier, is great for the kidney. Tulsi helps reduce the uric acid levels in the blood. Which is one of the main reasons for kidney stones in the presence of excess uric acid in the blood. This tulsi helps cleanse these kidneys. The presence of acetic acid and other components in its essential oils helps in breaking down kidney stones, and its painkiller effects help dull down the pain of kidney stones. To relieve kidney stones, one must have the juice of tulsi leaves with honey every day for 6 months at least. This will help to wash out the stone from the kidney. With strong antioxidant and anti-carcinogenic properties, this Badri Tulsi as well as normal Tulsi has been found to help stop the progression of breast cancer and oral cancer. Oral cancer is caused due to chewing tobacco. Thus, this is because its compounds restrict the flow of blood to the tumor by attacking the blood vessels supplying it. Have the extract of tulsi every day to keep these conditions at bay. Tulsi is known to have very strong anti-stress compounds and is great to help one quit smoking. It helps by lowering the stress that may be involved in trying to quit smoking or stress that lead to urge to smoke. It also has a cooling effect on the throat, just like menthol drops, and helps control the urge to smoke by allowing the person to chew on something. Ayurveda relies heavily on tulsi leaves as a smoking cessation device. Keep some leaves with you and chew it whenever the urge to smoke arises. Another plus is that the antioxidant properties of the leaves will help fight all damage that arises out of years of smoking. These holy Badri basil leaves has powerful purifying properties. When eaten raw, it purifies the blood, giving the skin a beautiful glow and prevents the appearance of acne and blemishes. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties are very effective in preventing breakouts on acne-prone skin. Ayurvedic doctor says that this herb can cure difficult skin conditions like those caused due to ringworms and even leukoderma. Apart from all this, it helps in reducing itchiness of the scalp and help to reduce hair fall. Mix the powder in coconut oil and apply regularly to the scalp to prevent hair fall. Eating tulsi leaves, drinking the juice or adding its paste to a face pack can help cure skin and hair conditions. This Badri tulsi or normal tulsi has immunomodulatory, antitussive and expectorant properties that makes it a great relief for cough, cold and other respiratory disorders, including chronic and acute bronchitis. Another great property of this leaf is that it has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help to beat the infection causing the respiratory problems. See here, I have taken some leaves from Badri Tulsi and they are dried in dark. I am storing these dried leaves in a container and will use it in winter season for my tea, as it relieves congestion since it contains potent components like camphene, ignol and cineol in its essential oils. Drinking Badri Tulsi tea in winters helps to relieve headaches, sinusitis, allergies, cold and even migraines. This is because it has pain relieving and decongestant properties that help relieve the pain and resolve the root cause of the condition. If you are suffering from a headache, make a bowl of water that has been boiled with crushed tulsi leaves or tulsi extract. Cool the water till it is room temperature or bearably hot. Place a small towel in it. Wring out the excess water and place this on your forehead to treat a headache. Alternatively, you could dip a towel in plain warm water and add a few drops of tulsi extract to the towel for immediate relief. To know more about the health benefits of various plants and herbs, please check out my videos regularly. Thank you for watching my video with patience. Please share and subscribe my channel Healthy Feasting. Click any box above to view more videos for health benefits. Thank you for sparing your time. Bye.